Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rahmatul Uma and today I will talk about Microsoft Excel, especially Microsoft Excel 2013 that I'm using right now. So first, let me tell you about Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel again is one of Microsoft products, one of Microsoft application that you can use to arrange your data. For example, if you have data of your selling products or your grade, students' grades, and so on. So let's just start it. Here, basically, Microsoft Excel is easy to use for you because it's not you don't need a complicated rules, a complicated settings to use Microsoft Excel. So we can just start it by double click on the Excel icon, double click, and then you will see a screen. You just need to click a blank document, and then to make it short, because the time is also limited, so I have already had the data here. Here I have sales report of my crown hijab product. Here I'm selling scarf, dress, skirt, and mukena. So here is the sales report of January until March, and here are the product that I sold in January, February, and March. Here, first, if you want to make the title, so the most important thing is the data and the title. So if you want to make the title a little bit in the middle of the data, so you can drag it like this and then click merge and center here, merge and center in alignment tools. So it will automatically like this be put it in the middle of your data. And then here I sold, for example, here my product is scarf, dress, skirt, and mukena. Here I haven't typed a number because I want to tell you the simplest way to type a number without manually just type 1, 2, 3, and so on. So you just type 1 and 2 under below it, and then drag it the 2 column, and then you see there is a spot here. Wait until the cursor change from this one into this one. After the cursor has changed like this, so you just need to drag it. Ta-da! And it will automatically arrange 1, 2, 3 in chronologically. So if you want to make it centered, you just need to click on the alignment tools here, drag it first, the data, the number, and then click center. It's the same for the data. For example, here I want to make the data be centered like this. So let's start our counting. Here I have 115 in January, 19 in February, and 100 in March. So if you want to count the total of your selling of scarf in January until March, you can total it here by dragging the data from January, February until March, until the column of the total here, and then you just simply click auto sum, and then the total of your selling of scarf in January, February and March is 340. Then you don't need to count it manually one by one. You just need to drag it down. See, do it the same like before. Wait for the cursor to be changed like this and then drag it down, so it will automatically sum up, not only for the scarf product but also for the dress, skirt and mukena. And then you can also do the same for each month. You just need to drag it until the column of the total and then click auto sum here, click, and then drag it to the right like this. Okay, so it's very simple, isn't it? After that, if you want to figure out how many product that you sell the most, you can click fill it here in the maximum data. You need to fill a formula, which is, I will tell you, here is equal, and then click max in capitalize, and then click the total here. I'm sorry, you need to put this symbol and then you drag the data of the total here and then put this symbol again. After this formula, you just need to click enter. Okay, and then for the minimum products that you sell, you just do the same but with the different formula. The difference is just in the word min, the keyword min, and then you just do the same this and then click enter. So the maximum product that you sold is in 525, which is dress, and the minimum is in 175, which is in mukena. And the average, you just need to do the same, just the difference is in the keyword equal, and then average, I'm sorry, average, and then click the symbol and drag data and then click the symbol again. Okay, then we move to the, here I have purchaser list of age. So here the buyer of my product here is among 17 until 25 until 40, the age of 40, and this is the amount, the number, the total of the people who in this age. And then I want to make, you can just count the maximum and the minimum like this one, or you may also just do the simple way by counting like this. So you just need to drag it until the max one, and then in the auto sum icon here there is an arrow, you just need to click it and then click max, And for the minimum, just need to click, drag it, and then click again minimum, like this. Okay, it's very simple, right? And this one, if you want to design your table be more eye-catching, you can add some color in your table. For example, here, first you need to drag the data of your table like this, and then right click here and then choose the format cells. Okay, and then you will be shown this tab, and then you just need to click border. So if you want to need any border on your table here, you just need to, if for example here you want to add outline and inside line, and then you also can arrange the bold of your border. For example, I will choose this one and then click OK. See, so your table here have a border. After that, you can also make or create the diagram of your table by clicking Insert tab, and then here in the chart tools, in the chart menu, you just need to choose what kind of chart, what kind of diagram that you need for your data. You can use a line chart or pie chart or column chart. So if you want to create a diagram for your data, you can first drag the data that you want to be put on a diagram like this, and then click what kind of chart that you want to use here in the Insert tab, and then there is Chart menu. Here, for example, I will use line chart, and to this line, this one, click, and then there will be automatically a chart for your data here, and then you just need to simply put the title. For example, here sales, I'm sorry, sales report of 1 crown Egypt in January until March, like this. So see, it's very easy, right? So good luck for your Microsoft Excel, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.